Last video.
He said, last time. Bouncy.
Now time for the last video, and it's a double stayer.
Sig, we need you first and last.
Wanky barrier.
Don't need to know about that, thanks very much, mate. Leave the lights in the way.
Anyways, as I said, double passer. First with a freight to Felix, though, I think.
Yeah, and then the rest of the Sleaford. Yeah, it's like 7 to 8 late. Well, 6 to 7 days.
I'm hoping we get the Leicester to Sleaford first. Still red.
Penis case.
Ew. I don't see any sign of a 66. We're just coming on to a minute.
Since the barrier's closed. Right, hello fella.
So we'll probably get Sleaford first. Or will we get freight first?
Here's Sleaford.
Here's the Sleaford, it's a 156.
25 been away.
Hello, 156. 156 401 again. 156
401 to Sleaford.
We're probably Brayfording.
You never know.
Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.